Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Pop Century. We're in the 80s and 90s area, and we've got a room. First floor, poolside. It's amazing. Let's go and show you what it is. So in room 7168, right there. And let's get on in. Now, when you come in, I will tell you honestly, we had wondered for a long time why the Pop Century resorts are just so hard to get. I get it now. So, huge TV welcoming us to the room, which is fantastic. Great storage area, it's fantastic. They have a small dining area with a large king-size bed with more pillows than we will ever need in our lives. A fantastic graphic of Mickey over top of the bed with some great lights. And a Murphy bed. That pulls down and it becomes a second bed, so you can get 2, 3, 4 people in the room easily. They have this Hey Disney, which is the new thing they now use, and I just activated it, which is right here in the room, and that's kind of like your Alexa, right? And then behind that, you come over here, and they have a little area where they have coffee, a little Keurig, Cuisinart Keurig, and then a small fridge. So far, blown away. Upside, we just found out that the thermostat in this room isn't locked, so we turned it down a bit because it's a warm day in June here. What I really also like, by the way, these are hardwood floors. So there isn't a carpet, so you don't worry about that carpet smell or whatever anybody has been here before, so that's great. It is a connecting room that we have, we didn't ask for. The sliding for the bathroom door, obviously is just this huge panel that comes across, but this bathroom for a value resort is just really modern, done really well. Got the sink protruding out, towels here, good storage. It has its own little closet right here, which is great for storage. It has an ironing board and a good amount of counter space here, and then you kind of pull out and it has toilet. It's separate from the sink, which gives you a chance to do more when you're all in here, 4 of you. Great shower, sliding glass door, and then they have in the shower, they have the rain shower, which is just awesome. So they have a tub and a shower in the space, which we really love, and they have those Disney products which you just can never get enough of. So we'll take a look at the room this way, coming back out. So it's, for really what it is, it's a great size room. Now we got this, it is Saturday night in the summer, going into 4th of July. It's not 4th yet, but it's getting into that dead week. We got this including tax of $206. What this gives us is that water park access today. We can get into any of the water parks. And then it gives us early entry tomorrow to any park we want for this price. And we are literally 3 steps from the pool. Disney has done a great job. So guys, let's George Florida Parks After Dark. We now get it. We now get why people love this resort. The theming in this resort is fantastic. The theming in this area is great. These rooms are just well done. For what you're getting, it's a good sized room, and the amenities are definitely better than you would expect for a value resort. So with that being said, guys, George Florida Parks After Dark, this is a high recommendation for us. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and get over to Pop Century. It is well worth it. You guys take care, have a great day.